Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to say thank you very much to my team in making the article entitled Benign Prostate Hyperplasia or BPH at the Inpatient Room at Alia 2 General Hospital Kendari, Southeast Sulawesi, Indonesia. Previously, I introduced myself, Al Edidau, and my team, Ramadan Tosepu and Devi Safitri Effendi. Okay, to shorten the time, I will just explain my material. The prostate gland is one of the male genital organs located inferior to the bladder and excludes the posterior urethra. When it enervates, it can block the prostatic urethra and cause obstruction of the flow of urine out of the bladder. It is the size of a walnut with a normal weight in adults of 20 grams. Benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH is a disease that frequently causes problems to men. It can increase morbidity and interference quality of life. Early symptoms of BPH include difficulty starting urination and incomplete urination. As the prostate gland grows larger, it passes pressure on the urethra and narrows it. This obstructs the flow of urine. Methodology. This study used data from the medical records of Alia 2 General Hospital Kendari in the form of data on cause of benign prostate hyperplasia or BPH in the years 2019. The data is taken from the Urology Department of Inpatient Registration. The results of the study are explained by figure format as follows. Result of the study. Number of cases by gender. Period January to April 2019. Male amount to 20 and female nothing. Period May to August 2019. Male amount 4 to 47 and female nothing. Period September to December 2019. Male amount 55 and female nothing. The result of the study show that in 2019, the patient with benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH only occurred in the male, not female. Figure as follows. Next, discussion. The prevalence of a 100 benign prostate hyperplasia or BPH cases only by male. Cases of benign prostate hyperplasia or BPH have increased every period. Based on the age group, the biggest prevalence of benign prostate hyperplasia or BPH in the inpatient room at Alia 2 General Hospital Kendari was in the age of 60 years old. The prevalence of BPH will increase as some as increasing at over 40 years old. It's occurred to men aged 60 years old around 17% and will increase it over 80 years to conclusion. The conclusion of this study is that cases of a 100 pregnant benign prostate hyperplasia or BPH are happens to male. The cases have increased every period of time and most happen since the age over 60 years old. Okay, that is my presentation. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.